Welcome to our MAP technical videos. This video will discuss one of the two ways that you can create articulations in the MAP platform. The first thing to notice here is when you're creating an articulation, you'll want to make sure you're in that initiator role. If you're logged in as the ambassador and you happen to forget to log into the initiator role, but you do have a second role as an initiator, you'll be prompted to change into that initiator role before making that articulation. I'm going to switch into that ambassador role now so that you can see what it looks like when we go through the articulation process. From this table here, the Create Articulations table, you'll start by typing the course or keyword from your college that you'd like to articulate. And then you will choose either credit recommendation or an exhibit ID. If you wanted to search by keyword, you could also do this in the bottom row. So for here, we're going to start with ADJ 14, Advanced Criminal Investigation. Once you select your course, your top code will display as well as a CID number if applicable. I'm going to search by credit recommendation here. "3 hours in advanced criminal investigation." I'll select that here, credit recommendation, and before I select search, there's a couple of different options here with the sources. You can search only by ACE IDs and credit recommendations, or you could search by map exhibits. Right now it's selected to show all of them. I'll select search, and then here is where you'll get that pop-up if you forgot to switch from the ambassador to the initiator role, asking you to switch roles. I do want to create this articulation, so I'm going to say yes. On the left, you'll see all of your course information, so your course title, the units, catalog description, top code, and SLOs if provided by your college. On the right-hand side, you will see the information coming from the ACE military guide. So you'll have the exhibit ID, team review date, version number, the exhibit date, and you can select the title to detail into more exhibit information from the ACE military guide. You'll see at the top 3 hours in advanced criminal investigation. That's the credit recommendation that we were looking for, and then we'll select articulate. That's when your articulation has been created, and this next box is for sending notifications. When it comes to sending notifications, you'll see the following recipients will be notified. It'll tell you what stage it's going into next. If you'd like to add a note to that recipient, you can do that here. If you'd like to add any notes to your articulation package, you can add that in here. Lastly, you'll want to add a signature, and if you have any documents to upload for this articulation, you can do that here. Down below, you will see all of the credit recommendations with their ACE IDs in a table below if you'd like to review. Select submit, and that's going to send your articulation on to the next stage. That's how you create an articulation from the home dashboard here. If you do have any questions, please reach out through the help chat in the bottom right.